In the realm of strategic maneuvering, the essence of victory lies in concentrated effort. Picture a hunter poised with unwavering attention, fixated on a singular target. This is the spirit of Law 23. Instead of spreading yourself too thin, hone in on that one golden opportunity, the weak spot in your opponent's armor. It may sound straightforward, but many stumble over the allure of distraction, losing valuable energy and momentum in the midst of chaos. Imagine the chaos of attempting to captivate 3 different possible partners in a lively establishment. The energy you expend on superficial conversations dilutes your charm and diminishes your confidence. Here's the trick. Focus all your charisma on one intriguing individual. Make each interaction memorable, amplifying the connection you share. Pour your best pickup lines and wit into this singular pursuit, allowing your intent to shine through. Just like a well-timed joke, the more you invest in one glorious moment, the more profound and impactful it becomes. Transitioning to the battleground of success, the story is much the same. When you're looking to elevate your status, identifying your key ally is crucial. It's not merely about seeking approval from the masses, but rather about gaining the trust and allegiance of that one powerful figure who reigns supreme. This is akin to hitching your wagon to a seasoned horse. The journey becomes smoother and more exhilarating. Concentrating your efforts on winning over this major player will yield greater rewards than attempting to please a crowd of casual observers. Concentration, my ambitious companions, is your ultimate weapon. Shift your gaze towards where real power resides, often masked and hidden within shadows. Approach with the precision of a predator, ready to seize the moment. Your clarity of thought must outshine the frivolous pursuits of others. While they scatter like fireflies, distracted and unorganized, you will remain steadfast, wielding focused energy as your advantage. As a result, not only will you emerge victorious, but you will also pave the way for magnificent triumphs ahead.
Are you a walking virtue signal? Then flaunt that shit with Piss's products that are stylish and bold just like you. Visit pissroth.com/shop today.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.